Meaning of incontinence.
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 Incontinence. Incontinence refers to the inability to control urination or bowel movements, which can result in involuntary leakage of urine or feces. This condition can be caused by a variety of factors such as aging, pregnancy, childbirth, neurological disorders, or prostate problems. It can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life, leading to embarrassment, social isolation, and even depression. Treatments for incontinence range from lifestyle modifications such as pelvic floor exercises and dietary changes to medications and surgical interventions in severe cases. Seeking medical advice is recommended for those experiencing symptoms of incontinence.